If you wear glasses and you're sick and tired of wearing them with a VR headset, then you can now get prescription lenses for the Quest 2 and the Quest 3. These are by a company called VR Wave, and there's a really cool feature in here which I'm going to show using this card here. It's so cool in fact that it means that you might still buy these lenses even if you don't wear glasses. Welcome to my tech gear. Let's get into it. So inside here, we've got both lenses inside a nice little protective case, which is really good. It means you've got someone to go and store your lenses if you're not using them on your headset. Now the lenses themselves come in two parts. There's the magnetic mount and there's the lens itself. So if you're going to take those apart, they just come apart just like that. Same on the left one as well. You can tell left from right because there's an L and an R on each lens, which you should be able to see on the bottom of the lenses here. Now we're going to mount the base plate on first. So the base plate themselves just press onto the top of each lens on the headset. And they click into place. And then we do the same on the other side as well. So take your base plate, there you go. So that base plate just snaps on there. And then it's a case of just taking the lenses themselves and just putting them on the top of the base plates. 1, 2, there we go. As well as the lenses, it's worth looking at what else comes with it. So not only does it have the case that I mentioned earlier, it does come with a lens cleaning wipe, which you can get as well if you wanted to go and use it. As well as that, you've got your prescription, which they give you on a card, and it also comes with a lens cleaning cloth as well. Cool. What I really wanted to show you was this blue card here. So this card is going to show you why these lenses are really handy, because built into these lenses is a blue light filter. Now, pretty much any screen that you use emits blue light. The downside is that if you have too much exposure to it, it can give you eye strain and it can really screw with your sleep patterns as well. So that's why a lot of mobile phones have a night mode or a blue light filter built into it, because it's trying to limit the amount of blue light that gets to your eyes. These lenses have that filter built in. And to show you the damage that blue light can do, I've got this little sort of emitter here, which emits blue light. This card here reacts to blue light. So if I go and put this light on this card, you will be able to see how much damage the blue light does to this card. It goes black. So that's the light that's going to be hitting your eyes. If I now take a lens off of here, put this over the card and put that blue light through the lens, it is making absolutely no difference. And to prove it's not a trick, there's one side, it's going dark, go through the lens, it makes no difference. So all of that sort of harmful blue light is being filtered out by these lenses. Really, really cool feature. So not only is that going to block out the blue light, but the lenses on here act as a protector for the lenses of the headset as well. So considering you can get the plain lenses for this, I think they cost about $30. Well, if you scratch the lens protectors, essentially, well, it only costs you $30. If you happen to scratch the lenses of the VR headset itself, well, that's gonna cost you substantially more. So it's not a bad option to get one. So what are the lenses like to actually use when you're playing? Do they get in the way? Well, let's test it out. Well, to be fair, I've been testing this out for a few weeks now, so this isn't exactly my first time. So I can't exactly show you that it's clear because it's my prescription. And even if I recorded it on screen, you're just going to see the screen recording. Even if I recorded through a camera through the lens, you're still not going to get it. What I would say is that me looking at this, all the text, all the pictures, everything else is super clear. I'm not noticing it touching my eyes or anything at all, so my eyelashes aren't touching the lenses, it's not touching my nose, it's not getting in the way at all. All I'm really noticing is the fact that I don't have the hassle of having to wear glasses in here because I've now got the lenses on the headset itself. That's really cool. So because these are magnetic, they're really easy to take on and off. So if you're passing this headset around a group of people and maybe you wear glasses and this is your prescription and you pass it to someone that doesn't need glasses, then you can just take the tops of the lenses off, give them the headset, when they've finished with it, just pop your lenses back on again. Super easy. So I'm trying to shove the headset as far into my face as I can to see if I can get the lenses to touch my eyes or my eyelashes at all. Not really, like I'm literally burying it into my face now. That's really good. So the lenses aren't going to get in the way, they're not going to interfere with the gaming experience. All they're going to really do is make the picture clearer for you. Price wise, these do start from $30 and then they go up from there depending on the strength of your prescription. The good thing if you have a high prescription is that VR Wave do convert your lenses into a high index lens, so they'll be as thin as they possibly can be for your prescription. So should you buy them? Well, I think if you wear glasses in VR, then it's pretty much a no-brainer. And even if you don't, with the blue light filter and generally just protecting your lenses, they're not a bad option either. I will put purchase links to them in the description down below so that you can go check them out for yourself. Plus, if you use code MyTechGear, you'll get an extra 5% off as well. If you want to upgrade your Quest 3 even more, then be sure to check out the link up here. Thanks for watching, and as always, I'll see you in the next one.